Section 8.3, area of a circle. Example 1, calculate area from a given radius. Alright, so we're going to estimate and calculate the area of the circle. We're going to round our answers to the nearest tenth or 1 decimal place. So first up, let's study the diagram here. I've got a circle, the center is marked, I have a radius showing here, and that radius is labeled as 2.1 centimeters. Area of a circle, and here's my formula, is given by pi times r squared. Area of a circle is pi r squared, where r is radius and your pi, we're going to use 3.14. So let's start by estimating. We have our formula, pi r squared. We know that pi is close to 3. Since we're estimating, we can look at the radius of 2.1 and we're going to say, that's pretty close to 2. So we're going to substitute in 2 for each of those radiuses. Now remember, r squared is the same as r times r. So 3 times 2 is 6 times 2 is 12. So we're estimating the area of this circle to be 12 centimeters squared. And again, this is not drawn to scale. 12 seems like a big number compared to what we're looking at here. Although actually, let's just measure this out and have a look on paper. On paper, look at that, actually. Sorry, my radius is about 1.1. So this is about half the size of the circle. This is pretty close to 2.1 centimeters right here. So it would be a circle that's a fair bit bigger. All right, so there's my estimate, 12 centimeters squared. Let's calculate it out. Pi is 3.14. Radius times radius, so 2.1 times 2.1, we get 13.8474. We know that we need to take it to 1 decimal place, so we're going to say, okay, well, there's 1 decimal place, next digit's a 4, so I can just drop those and not have to worry about changing the 8, so it becomes 13.8 centimeters squared. That's the calculated area. Estimate was 12. Those numbers are kind of close. So I would say that 12 was a reasonable estimate in this case. All right, next up is a show you know. Give it a go.